Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Chanakya IAS Academy test series explanation number 25. So let's get started with question number first. Which state launched India's first 24/7 grain dispensing machine known as the Annapurti Grain ATM? The right answer here being Odisha. Question number 2. Which country hosted the 4th Foreign Office consultations with India focusing on bilateral cooperation in various sectors? The country is Zambia. Option number C. Question number 3. Which country announced the discovery of Lingshui 36-1 gas field, the world's first large ultra shallow gas field in ultra deep waters? So the nation here is China. Option number B. Question number 4. What is the name of brand under the Ministry of Textile programs that focuses on the traceability, certification and branding of Indian cotton? The right answer here will be Kasturi Cotton. Option number C. Moving forward to the question number 5. Who has been selected as the co-flag bearers for India at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games closing ceremony? The right answer here will be option number A, Srijesh and Manu Bhaker. Question number 6. In which Indian state was the Hathi app launched to address human-elephant conflicts? The right answer here will be option number C, Assam. Question number 7. What is the name of India's second nuclear-powered ballistic missiles? It's talking about second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine that is set to be commissioned. The right answer here will be option number D, INS Arighat. Question number 8. Who is the author of book 75 Great Revolutionaries of India? The right answer here is Bhim Singh. Question number 9. Moving forward. Which country hosted the Udar Shakti 2024 bilateral air exercise with the Indian Air Force? The right answer here will be Royal Malaysian Force. Option B. Question number 10. In which Indian state were ancient geoglyphs and petroglyphs recently declared as protected monuments? The right answer here is Maharashtra is that state. Question number 11. In which Indian state will be the first ever global women Kabaddi League commence? The right answer here is option number A, Maharashtra. Question number 12. Which institutions secured the top position in the overall category in the NIRF 2024 rankings? IIT Madras. Question number 13. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission recently? UPSC has been in the news recently, and the new chairperson here is option B, Preeti Sudan. Question number 14. Lecanemab drug, which was seen in the news, is used to treat which disease? So it is related to Alzheimer. Option number B. Question number 15. Recently, which country has become India's second largest liquefied natural gas supplier, LNG supplier? The answer here is US. Question number 16. What is the rank of India's in global agricultural export? The right answer here is option number C, 8th. Question number 17. Recently, which country won CAVA's Women's Volleyball National League 2024? The right answer here will be India. Question number 18. Lake Turkana. The right answer of this question will be Kenya. Lake Turkana is associated with Kenya. Question number 19. Zuanga tribe. The right answer here is option number A, Odisha. It is associated with Odisha. Question number 20. Tungabhadra Dam. Which state? Karnataka. It's a pretty simple one. Question number 21. Who among the following is called the Sadi of India? So it was none other than Amir Hassan. Question number 22. At which of the following battle was artillery used for the first time by the two armies? So it was used in the Battle of Panipat. Option A. Question number 23. In what context does the Panahi and Upana mention in the medieval Indian history? So it was related with shoes, sandals. Option number 24. Sorry, question number 24. At a time when Europe were crumbling before the might of Napoleon. Which one of the following governor generals kept the British flying high in India? So the right answer here will be Lord Wellesley. Option number C. Question number 25. Wellesley established the Fort William College at Calcutta because he wanted to train the British civilians for administrative purposes in India. Option D. Moving forward to question number 26. While delivering the presidential address, the Congress president who advocated the introduction of Roman script from the Hindi language was, so this was advocated by Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 27. Who started the process of decentralization of finances in India? So the process of decentralization of finances was introduced by Lord Mayo. Question number 28. Who among the following is known as father of land settlement in northern India? The right answer here will be R.M. Bird. Question number 29. Who among the following British persons admitted the revolt of 1857 as a national revolt? So it was advocated by Disraeli. Option C. Question number 30. Consider the following statements. You have to identify which of the statements are correct here. Sanjay Naidu was the first woman to be the president of Congress. No, this is wrong. Annie Besant. C.R. Das was in prison when he functioned as the president of Congress. Yes, this is correct. The first Britisher to become the president of Congress was Alan Octavian Hume. Absolutely wrong. This one goes wrong. Alfred Webb was the president of Congress in 1894. This one is correct. So the right answer here will be option number B, 2 and 4. Question number 31. The revolutionary who was not involved in Harding bomb incident. So he was involved, Bhai Bal Mukund was involved, Awadh Bihari was involved, and the right answer here will be Bhagwati Charan Vohra. He was not involved. So the right answer here will be option number B, Bhagwati Charan Vohra. Question number 32. You have to identify the correct chronology. The right answer here will be 1, 4, 2, 3. Option C. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 33. Entering government under the leadership of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh was founded in Kabul with the support of Germany during the World War I. Option D will be the correct answer here. Question number 34. The British journalist H.W. Nevinson was associated with Swadeshi movement. Option number C. Question number 35. The right answer here will be, we will straightforward go to the right answers. The right answer here is CADB. This was the chronology. CADB. Question number 36. The two-nation theory was propounded in which of the following sessions of the Muslim League? These are the 4 options here. The right answer here will be Lahore session. This was the much popular and famous session held in Lahore session 1940. Question number 37. Diwani Maniram Datta. It's a pretty simple one. The right answer here will be Assam. Question number 38. Lord Curzon was appointed as the Viceroy of India he was appointed in 1899. Option number D. Question number 39. Where was the Western Presidency? So the Western Presidency was situated in the early period in Surat. Question number 40. Who was the second Muslim president in the Indian National Congress? Rahimatullah Muhammad Sayyani. 40C. Question number 41. Annie Besant. She was responsible for starting the Home Rule League movement. She was not the founder of Theosophical Society, and she was once the president of Indian National Congress. In fact, she was the first president of woman president of Indian National Congress. So the right answer here will be option C, 1 and 3. Moving forward, 4 resolutions were passed at the famous Calcutta session of Indian National Congress in 1906. The question of either retention or rejection of these 4 resolutions became the cause of split in Congress at the next Congress session held in 1907. Which one of the following was not one of the resolutions? So the right answer here will be annulment of partition of Bengal. This was not related. Question number 43. The whole dispute between Subhash Chandra Bose and the right wing after the Tripuri session of Congress centered around the question of, so it was centered around the question of formation of Congress Working Committee. Question number 44. Can you show me one free country where there are separate electorates? The British element is God, but they have left the mischief behind. This famous statement was associated with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option number C. Question number 45. The active participant of Bundela rebellion of 1842, Hirday Shah, was Zamindar of which of the following place? He was the Zamindar of Hirapur. Option D. Question number 46. The book Springing Tiger is biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. Option number B. Question number 47. Who compared administration of Curzon in India to that of Aurangzeb? So it was a very famous comparison made by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 48. Which of the following Delhi Sultanate rulers attempted to create a counter nobility of non-Turks? So she was none other than Razia Sultan. Option A. Question number 49. Which among the following is the bilingual inscription? So this bilingual inscription is the Kandahar inscription. Option B. Question number 50. Which one of the following uprisings occurred in Maharashtra? Pretty simple one. The right answer being Bhil uprising. It was in Maharashtra. Question number 51. The Indian Muslims in general were not attracted to the extremist movement because of the right answer here will be the extremists policy of harping on Hindus part. This one will be the right answer. Question number 52. Aurobindo Ghosh was brilliantly defended by who among the following? So he was brilliantly defended by Chittaranjan Das in the Alipur conspiracy case. Question number 53. Under whose chairmanship a committee was formed to defend the accused in Kakori case? So this was under the chairmanship of Govind Ballabh Pant. Question number 54. There are 2 statements. You have to identify the correct statement here. Lord Curzon decided to rearrange the provincial boundaries. Yes. A new province was constituted called East Bengal and Assam. Both are correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 55. Again, a 3 statement question. The right answer here will be option number B, 1 and 3. Moving forward to question number 56. A special address by the governor refers to the address delivered by the governor. The right answer here will be option C. At the commencement of the first session after general election and at the first session of each year. Question number 57. What is the ground on which Supreme Court can refuse relief under Article 32? So he can do that no fundamental rights has been infringed. So the right answer here will be option C. Question number 58. Straightforward questions. I will just dictate the answers. Option D. 58 D. 59. Which one of the following commissions is related to Article 338A? The right answer being option number B. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Next question. The National Disaster Management Authority functions under which of the following ministry? The right answer here is it functions under the Home Affairs. Question number 61. Which of the following articles was defended by Dr. Ambedkar as on the plea that it would be used as a matter of last resort? It was the article related to emergency being Article 356, option C. Question number 62. It's a pretty easy one. Double jeopardy, mentioned in Article 20. Question number 63. Which region of the country conferred special status under Article 371J? So 371J confers to Hyderabad and Karnataka. Question number 64. Who among the following is the ex officio chairman of Civil Services Board? Cabinet Secretary. Option A. Question number 65. Development Monitoring and Evaluation Office. This comes as a Niti Aayog. Option D will be the right answer. Question number 66. Pura is related to APJ Abdul Kalam. He was associated with this idea. Question number 67. Again, 4 statement question. The right answer here being option 1 and 2. Question number 68. Democratic government is considered to be an important means of protecting freedom of people because the member of state retains some control over their rulers. Option C. Question number 69. 4 statement question. The right answer here being 1, 2 and 4. Question number 70. Again a 4 statement question. Option 2 and 3 will be the right answer. Option C. 71. Right to equality will be the right answer here. 71A. Question number 72. Option A. 1 and 2. Question number 73. Again straightforward question. The right answer here will be he is a member of the State Legislative Council. This one will be the right answer. Option number 74. The Cabinet Committee related to the Cabinet Committee. Option B will be the right answer. Transaction of Business Rules, TBR 1961. Question number 75. Option D will be the correct answer. 75D. 76. Moving forward, again a 4 statement question. The right answer here will be option number C. 1, 3 and 4. 77. Ability of plants to survive in a terrestrial environment is due to the existence of conducting tissue. Question number 78. What is the class of animals that has blood-filled coelom? The right answer here will be Arthropoda. 78. Question number 79. Organism lacking cell organelles and a nucleus. It is related with bacteria. Question number 80. The magnitude of gravitational acceleration is least on equator. This one. Question number 81. Option A. Question number 82. Again related to cells which secretes bile, hepatocytes. Question number 83. Referred as anti-sterility vitamin. Vitamin E is related to this. Question number 84. Definition of bacteriophage is accurate. A virus that destroys bacteria. Option B. Question number 85. What is the purpose of antipyretic medicine? As you all know, it is mentioned in fever. It has a certain use in fever. Question number 86. Which of the following plants does not belong to the group of micronutrients that plants need? The right answer here will be magnesium. Question number 87. Generates electromagnetic waves, accelerated charges. 88. The right answer here will be C. Option number C. Question number 89. Galvanic cells. Question number 90. Alcohol. Propanol falls under the category of alcohol. Question number 91. Which metal is essential to the formation of vitamin B12. The right answer here will be cobalt. Question number 92. Helium. This is not. This does not exist in protein. 93. Tuberous roots. 94. Epithelium. 95. Clostridium tetani. 96. Which inheritance law is generally acknowledged? Law of segregation. Question number 97. The right answer here will be option C. 98. Retinol, calciferol, ascorbic acid. 99. Impulse unit is described with NS. Question number 100. Option C. Centrifugal and centripetal forces are equal in magnitude and have opposite direction. 101. Antarctica. Highest average elevation in the world lies with Antarctica. 102. Both 1 and 2 are correct here. So the right answer here will be option number A. 103. These are statements, assertions, reason. You have to identify which one is correct. So the right answer here will be option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 104. Option number C will be the correct answer. Diamond ring is observed only along the peripheral regions of the path of totality. Question number 105. Why do dew forms do not form over on a cloudy night? Because clouds reflect the radiation emitted by the earth. 106. Which river is tributary of the Damodar river? So Barakar river is the tributary of Damodar river. Question 107. Which of the following river is an antecedent river? So Subansiri is an antecedent river. Option B. Which of the following mountain ranges is a part of Kashmir Himalayas? All options here are part of Kashmir Himalayas. Option number D. 109. The right answer here will be option number C. 1, 4, 3 and 2. 110. Again, two statement question. The right answer here will be both are incorrect. So option D will be the correct answer here. 111. Mount Koyob. It is located at South Andaman. Question number 112. These are three statements question about the methane hydrates. Yes. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So the right answer here will be 1, 2 and 3. 113. This one is correct. This one is incorrect. So the right answer here is only 1. 114. You have to identify again the correct statement. Option 2 is correct. Option A is incorrect. So the right answer here will be option number 2. Option B. Question number 115. Which of the following has the highest albedo? Snow has the highest albedo. Option C. Which type of coal has the highest percentage of carbon? So anthracite has the highest percentage of carbon. Option number D. 117. Which scientist proposed the origin of Earth from gas and dust particles? Option D. O. Smith. 118. Again a 4 statement question. The right answer here will be 1, 2 and 3. 4th is incorrect. 119. 670. 670 million years. Question number 120. The correct sequence of east flowing rivers in peninsular India from north to south is, the right answer here will be Subharnakha, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar, Kaveri and Vaigai. Question number 121. The Great Reset Initiative. So this initiative is related with World Economic Forum. 122. Business Responsibility and Sustainability Report. It is released by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. 123. This statement, you have to identify the correct statement regarding the Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. This is correct. On the recommendations of Malhotra Committee, it is a statutory body headquartered in Hyderabad. Pretty correct. 1, 2 and 3. Option D is the correct answer. 124. The strategic petroleum reserves are established or proposed at which of the following places in India? So it is established in Chandikhol, Padur and Vishakhapatnam. Option D. 125. Which one of the following is not a quantitative instruments of monetary policy of the RBI? Imposing margin requirement on secured loans. This does not fall under quantitative instruments. 126. Sufficiency economic philosophy. This was introduced in 1997 in Thailand. So the right answer here will be option D. Question number 127. What of the following describes the best about Cerberus? So it is a banking Trojan. Option A is the correct answer here. 128. The term smurfing related to money laundering. 129. These are the three statements related to whom? So these three statements are related to MTCR. Question number 130. Which of the following jobs and what are the nature of jobs? You have to identify the correct one. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. So the right answer here will be option number D. 131. Again, a three statement questions and you have to identify which of the following bodies fall under this. It is suitable. The right answer here will be UNCITRAL. Question number 132. The term migration and development brief is related to which of the following? So it is related by World Bank. It is being released by World Bank. Osaka track. So this is related to data flow and electronic commerce. Question number 134. Florence Sustainability Charter, G20. 135. The Bunker Convention. It is related to oil spills. Option A. Option number C will be the right answer here of question number 136. Question number 136, C is the answer. Supply chain and global trade. 137. P-PAC framework. It is related to resolution of the debt of a distressed company. The traffic crash injuries and disabilities. The burden on Indian society report is released by which of the following? So it is released by World Bank. Question number 139. The right answer here will be option A. 140. Option D. 141. Option A. 142. Option number B. 143. Option number A. Question number 144. Option number C. 145. Option number C. 146. The right answer here will be option number B. 147. It's B. Camaraderie. 148, option number C. Question number 149, the second last question, the primary objective of Green Tug Transition Program. So its right answer is option B, to transit tugboats to operate using environmentally friendly fuels and technologies. Last question, the right answer here will be Pankaj Advani. He won the senior snooker title at the Western India Billiards and Snooker Championship 2024. So these were the solutions of test number 25. Hope you are doing well. See you in explanation number 26.